Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually import all the different reviews on different products onto your Shopify account. So if you don't have Shopify, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. Now, one of the things which is crucial and most important for any time anyone wants to buy any product is the reviews. And obviously, you know, and I know for a fact that whenever we go onto the internet and go to any shop, we want to check out the review of a product before we buy it, because we want to know what the quality of the product, how is the seller, and what kind of customer service that they are getting. And obviously, based on that information, we are able to actually invest and get a product or item for a particular store. And that is the reason why customer reviews are crucial for the success of any business. So if you're a young entrepreneur, an early drop shipper, and you have an account on Shopify, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get those reviews onto your Shopify account without actually selling the product or the item, to give the incentive and to give the understanding and get you a better chance and give you a competitive advantage in the industry. So if you look at any item that's available on Aliexpress and you go to the reviews, you will see amazing reviews, honest reviews, real reviews that are available from individuals that have bought the product, that have used the product, and they will tell you what the product is about. And if you want to get all these reviews to your Shopify account, there is an easy method to do that. And if you watch the complete video, you'll understand the different apps that are available that you could use to get these reviews onto your Shopify account. The first app is called Judge Me Aliexpress Reviews. And obviously, this is a very interesting app where you can import reviews from Aliexpress for your drop shipping products. With 406 reviews, this is an unlimited review importer, meaning the import reviews from Aliexpress products run multiple review imports at the same time and make an unlimited amount of imports, and easily integrate with Judge Me to show the imported reviews on the store, or export the reviews out to use them with another app. And they build trust and increase your store's conversion rate with the review pictures and description review text from your Aliexpress products. And if you scroll down, they give you a complete breakdown of how you need to do it. The first thing that you need to do is install the app, choose the product that you want to add reviews, and enter the Aliexpress product URL and apply the filters. It will import from Aliexpress review ratings, review text, and review photos as well. And you can apply multiple filters to get the set of reviews that you want, and the number of reviews to import, and minimum rating. Any 3+, 4+, and even 5 stars are available. And you can also review photos with a minimum number account and the country from where you want it. And the additional options that you get with Judge Me is the fact that you can translate reviews to English via Aliexpress, and the maximum amount of reviews for increasing performances. Now, the functionality is available as well, which you can go through. And the thing that I love about Judge Me is the fact that you can do all of that with a couple of clicks. And the second app that I'm going to talk about today is called Looks Product Reviews and Photos. Now, you got to understand something, guys, that if you want to make a successful business, and obviously you want to get the financial freedom that you have always been dreaming about, then you got to make sure that every single product that you add to your drop shipping account needs to have reviews. And obviously, on those reviews, you need to have honest opinions about individuals that have used that particular product. Looks Product Review and Photos has 9,996 reviews. Almost 10,000 individuals use this particular app. And obviously, you can send automatic review request emails, ask customers for reviews with delivery-based timing, and offer discounts for adding a photo or even a video. You can enjoy a first-class user interface and choose from the attractive customer review widgets such as grid, list, cursor, pop-up, sidebars, and even a cart page. And with sharing Lux Review on the social media with SEOs and Google Shopping, Facebook Pixels that offer referral discounts to boost word of mouth and post-purchase upsells. And obviously, it's quite simple and straightforward. The 6 main reasons why people tend to get this particular app is because you collect more reviews on photos and videos with beautiful displays of what your brand shines like, with a high return on investment and an easy setup with a 24/7 off support. And obviously, the Looks Review doesn't slow down your website with a recognized as best in the class technology solution. And the additional feature is the fact that it's available in English and French and 17 other languages. And with one click from Aliexpress Review Importer, you can build in import tools for any other review app with customization and branding. You can define email timing, review from questions, and widget colors, looks, logos, font size, and position. And with their social proof that looks absolutely brilliant, Looks is a fully featured product review and referral app that enables brands of all sizes to automatically automatically collect customer reviews, photos, and videos and beautifully display happy customer content and social proof. And that is the reason why you want to have Loox as a partner-friendly review app on your dropshipping account, because you want to make sure that you actually can convert those customers to become lifelong loyal customers. And that brings us to the third app, which is the Opinu product review app UGC. And obviously with 1,301 reviews, this is an import photo and video review from Amazon, Aliexpress, eBay, and DSers as well, where you import reviews in a one-click and in bulk with their review importer. You get product reviews on autopilot, which is brilliant, and you can send emails and SMS review requests, incentivize with coupons, display photo reviews and video reviews as well, and you can drive more traffic with star ratings on Google Search, Google Shopping, and even Facebook, with display reviews on site with a highly customizable widget that's going to be available. And obviously it has been trusted by 100 plus Shopify Plus brands. Their review management system is going to help you collect reviews from your current and post orders and import existing customer reviews and convert your customers with ease, thanks to the review full of user generated content like photo reviews and video reviews as well. And their review widgets are easy to customize to match your theme and fully responsive, so you can be sure customer reviews will always look great no matter what device your visitor is using. And you can collect 2 times more reviews automatically with your review request and import thousands of reviews in minutes from Amazon Review, AliExpress Review, eBay Review, and Oberliller Review as well. And you can empty store can be a fully custom feedback in minutes, creating better customer experience and improving conversion rates. And that is the reason why you want to use this absolutely brilliant app to fit to your theme and your branding, and even offer coupons for reviews as well. It takes 15 minutes to install, and you have your SEOs and migrate reviews as well, and rival support with a 7-day week support tech team for all the users, and their team will help you with installation, CSS migration, and other questions that you might have about this particular app. But the true thing over here, guys, is that this is a crucial element for you to have, because if you do not have a reviews on your shop, you will not be able to scale your business and take your business to the next level. And that is the reason I highly recommend every single individual that is interested in dropshipping to make sure that they work on their dropshipping account. They understand the landing page they want to create, and they have a proper Shopify landing page developed. And if you don't have a Shopify account, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. Because if you really want to be a successful businessman, and if you really want to do dropshipping successfully, this is the best methodology you need to create. And the strategies that we talk about and the elements that we have on our channel are absolutely brilliant. And that is the reason why you need to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of the videos that we're making, because we are giving you a chance of a lifetime to make sure that you have the proper strategies that you can implement, you can execute, and you can make scalable at the same time, and get the profit margin that you always wanted, and understand the right products to add, the right reviews to include, and how to include them, and how to make them a customer oriented as much as possible. So if you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you, to guide you, to support you, and to assist you. And do share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to find reviews and add them to your dropshipping account. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.